Hi everyone, this is Jenny. I just wanted to give you some quick postpartum tips on how to avoid the postpartum blues, and so you can really enjoy this time in your life. It's a really special time with your new baby. So really try not to be overwhelmed, because it could be a really overwhelming, stressful time with the new demands. So number one, take care of yourself. Make sure you are eating a lot, because you need the calories and you need the fluids, the water, especially if you're nursing. So it's really easy to get dehydrated when you're nursing, and you really need those calories to keep your energy up. So number two, let's see, sleep when your baby sleeps if you need to, and then ask family and friends for help if you need a break. It doesn't mean you're a bad mom or anything, it just means you need a break. So, and I think that's totally fine and healthy, and you need to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. And then my last tip is going to be, take some multivitamin. I suggest B vitamins help with stress, and also I take a stress relief complex too, and that really helps with the stress too. So I hope those tips are helpful, and it's always a good idea to get outside, get some exercise, and that'll help with your stress too. So I think maintaining the stress is key to not being overwhelmed and experiencing those postpartum blues. All right, and you can check out my website, leadyourdreams.shaklee. Okay.